Hi guys, it's Savas from Trendy Startups. Today I'm gonna show you how to find Wi-Fi password on Windows computer. So let's get started. So to find Wi-Fi password, you have to simply type CMD in search bar and click on command prompt. Now here you have to type the command net sh space wall space show profiles and simply press enter. So you can see all the network profiles that I am using. So I want to find the password of this network, Huawei XNWW. So to find the password of this network, here you have to type this command net sh wall show profile name is equal double colon, and here you have to type the network name. So and after typing network name, you have to type this command, close the double comma, key is equal clear, find double comma, key content, close double comma. So after entering this command, simply press enter. So here you can see the password of this network. So here you can see we have find the password of the Wi-Fi in our Windows computer. So you can also find the password by following this process. I hope this information was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.